PLR products provide an excellent earning opportunity. This whole course is going to tell you how you can maximize your revenue and your earning opportunities from using private label rights material. It's a fantastic invention for internet marketers, and it's one that will help to save you a lot of money and also in the process make you a lot of money. If you use PLR products well, then what you can do is dramatically reduce the product development life cycle. So this means if I start creating a product today, it may be 2 to 3 weeks before it's completed. Could be longer depending on the complexity of the problem. If I buy a PLR product, I can find that 2 to 3 weeks creating a product could dramatically shorten to maybe as much as half a day or a day, or possibly even less depending on the quality of the PLR. But at the most it'll be a day. So you can see you can massively reduce the amount of time it takes you to create a new product, which means that you can get profitable products to market quickly. So if I'm doing 2 products a month, it takes me 2 weeks to create a product. So 2 products a month means I'm doing 24 a year. That's not really that many, is it? You know, if each one makes me $10 a day, that's what, $240 a day. However, with PLR products, if I can do 1 per day, you know, in a week I do 5. I've taken the weekend off, so Monday to Friday I've done 5. So that means in a month I've got, assuming 4 weeks in a month, instead of just 2 products, I've got 20. You know, the potential profit is much higher because you can get products out to the marketplace an awful lot quicker, and being able to respond that quickly to niches that you found and so on and so forth means that you can potentially earn a lot more money. Basically, PLR is cheap product creation. You could hire somebody to ghostwrite you something and it'll be unique, but the trouble is that's likely to cost you an awful lot of money. A decent ebook will cost you $500 to $1,000. A decent video series, $500 to $2,000, perhaps more. So with PLR, you could buy a decent quality video series for pennies on the dollar by comparison to how much it will cost you to get it made for yourself. But finding good private label rights can be a bit tricky, and that's one of the things we're going to address in this program. I'm going to show you some of the best places to find PLR from. If you get bad PLR, it's going to be a nightmare for you to rewrite. It's going to take ages, and that's really not what we're after. What we're after is being able to rapidly turn around the PLR product and get it out into the marketplace in order for us to earn from it. So you've got to find good quality PLR in order for you to be able to do that. But if you use PLR right, you can really maximize your income, and the earning potential is quite staggering. It really is. You'll start to understand that as you go through this. And as I said to you just a few minutes ago, if you compare the fact that you could get 5 products a week to 1 every 2 weeks, then you can instantly see the difference in potential revenue. This course is going to teach you an awful lot of information. We're going to talk about private label rights, what it is, and actually why it's so good. We've touched on that, but I'm going to go into a bit more depth and tell you why it's something that you really shouldn't be missing out on. I'm going to show you what PLR is, show you what all the rights are, the various rights that you can get, and how they affect your use of it. I'll tell you which ones are the best ones and which ones are ones that you ought to go, not sure about that. There's certain rights within PLR that instantly devalue the product, and it's worth your while not buying it and waiting a couple of weeks. But there are some rights that make PLR products extremely valuable. We're going to talk about those. I'm going to show you some of the best places to find private label rights products. Now, there's a lot of potential sources, but there's a couple that really stand out as being the best places. I'm going to show you how you can make money from PLR products. You may have a PLR product, but what will the herd do? The herd is going to go out there, put the PLR product, the sales page and everything up on the internet, make no changes. Yeah, they may make a few sales, but I'm going to show you how to really maximize how much you can earn from it. I'm going to show you how to rewrite PLR as well. Now, not everyone knows how to do this, so what I want to do is point out the major points that you have to rewrite if you want maximum profit. I'm going to show you a bit more information about that, which ones to look out for and which ones to do. I'm also going to show you a little bit about PLR articles. Now PLR articles, again, very, very popular, and some people will use them. In fact, a lot of people should be using them, but I want to show you how to use them properly, again, for maximum profit. And we're also going to talk a little bit about selecting a PLR membership site if that's what you want to do. There are a lot of PLR memberships out there, some good, some not so good. But we're going to talk about the criteria that you need to have when you look at PLR membership sites and help you find one that really works well for you. And of course there's going to be a lot more. It's a fully featured course. There's a lot of information. You may want to get a pen and paper, but follow me through step by step. Follow us through the steps, do the steps as and when we talk about them, and you'll learn how to use PLR and you'll make money from it. And that really is what this course is all about.